Hey everyone, and welcome to Building a Better Handstand, part 3. This time we're gonna explore allowing ourselves to get comfortable hopping. So teaching our bodies how to hop forward from down dog to a standing forward fold, but also how to apply some of those principles to exercises that you can do on your own. All right, so now that you have your mat set up, make sure that your space is safe. So you're not gonna knock over something around you and you're not going to send your body through a wall or a window. And once we find our mat, let's do a standing forward bend to start. I want you to go ahead and grab opposite elbows and shake yourself from side to side. And just feel this nice release in your low back. Exhale, you're gonna release your hands, lift halfway up, gaze forward. And then exhale, deepen your forward fold. We're gonna start with a couple standing splits, warm up the hamstrings. So I want you to bring your feet closer together. Inhale, raise your left leg really high to the sky. Exhale, take your hands and fold forward over your right leg more. Try not to let your left leg externally rotate, which we worked on before in one of these videos. Keep it nice and closed, and then lift from your butt and lift from your hamstring a little bit higher. Bend your right knee, bring the weight forward in the foot, and then just feel your body lift up, 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 up. Good, take your time, breathe in. Exhale, pyramid pose. So we're gonna turn our left toes out. We're gonna move our hips back and then fold over our right shin. As we do this, I want you to feel the space in your hamstrings and maybe walk your hands forward. Now, if you're nowhere near this bendy, that's totally fine. You can always have blocks underneath both of your hands. From here, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale the breath out. Come back to standing split. Reach up really, really, really high. See if you can fold in more. And then exhale, release your foot. Inhale, rise to stand. Squeeze your inner thighs, look up. Exhale, fold forward, hands to toes. Halfway lift, standing split on the left leg, so I'm gonna lift my right leg up. And then notice my left hip, it doesn't wanna drop, so I wanna lift the hip, meaning the elbow would point up as I'm lifting the hip this way. And then from there, I'm gonna walk my hands back and then lift from my right butt and hamstring. So turn on your glute, turn on your hamstring. Reach really, really high, fold forward more, 3. Lift from your inner thighs, 2, and then exhale, step back in a pyramid. So my right foot turns out, I'm gonna look forward. I'm gonna fold over this left leg. I'm gonna breathe in, and I'm gonna breathe out. I'm gonna walk my hands forward if it's available, and again, if you're having a lot of trouble in this pose, keep your hands next to the foot or on top of blocks. Exhale, step the feet together. Inhale, reach and rise, big back bend. And then exhale your hands to your heart. So we're gonna move to the back of our mats. You can obviously turn around, does not matter which way is the front or which way is the back. And we're gonna sink down into a deep yogi squat. Now, as this happens, I want you to press your inner thighs open and lift your chest. Our next movement here is inhale, arms up. Exhale, straight arms. Inhale, push into the balls of the feet. Exhale, jump or shift your shoulders forward. Come back down and reset. Now, if you're not jumping, you're gonna stick with this option. And the way you're gonna get to the top of the mat is just like this. You're gonna inhale your arms up. Exhale your arms down. Inhale your hips up, arms straight. Exhale, shift. And then step your feet up and sink back down. I'll demo option 1 one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, tailbone up. Exhale, shift forward, heels up, 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 shoulders forward, step, and then sink back down. So you're just gonna repeat that concept of lifting and lowering. Now, if you're gonna work with me and jump, which would be option 2, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna allow ourselves to land our feet forward with the hop. So I'm going to inhale, my arms up. Exhale, my hands down, eyes of the elbows forward. Inhale up, exhale, hop, and land. Inhale, exhale, inhale, hop, and land. So we're making our way up the mat. About 3 more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, down, reset, in, out, up, and down. And then 1 more. Let's reset the microphone. In, down, up, and then reset. And then from there, heart rate should be up. we'll take a standing forward fold. Good work. Halfway lift and fold in. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to do that taking ourselves all the way back on the mat. So this should increase your heart rate. This should increase your ability to jump. So that way if we're jumping into another pose, you can do it. And it will also increase your ability to feel confident, all right? So option 1, start here, sink down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. You're gonna shift your shoulders way, way forward. Remember to keep those hands nice and flat. And then you're gonna exhale, step back. Again, inhale, reach. Exhale, fold, shift forward, and then step back. Now, if you're taking that option 2 with me, we're going to sink down, reach up, fold, bend those knees, jump, back, settle down. So the goal is to land our feet behind us about a foot or 6 inches each time. Inhale up, exhale down, lift up, and come back. In, out, up, and back. 2 more. And rest, standing forward fold. So again, I definitely feel that in my legs. I can feel myself challenged. Fold forward and breathe out. Let your knees come down. You're at the back of your mat. And we're gonna think about how can we move into a deep yogi squat from down dog utilizing these principles. So we're going to put them all back together. Reach forward and find down dog. You're gonna look forward and you're gonna step wide to start. So that's gonna be step 1, is a wider down dog stance. Option 1, inhale, come forward, shift your shoulders forward, baby hop, have a seat and you're there. How do you make it harder? Step back, wide-legged stance. Look forward, bend your knees. Now my knees are apart, something I don't teach often. Come up into the air, land. And then you do it again. So let's do it 3 more times together. Step back, step wide. Look forward, bend your knees, hop, and land. 2 more. Step back, step wide. Now you can always pause this and do 10 more if you want. Up, and land. And then the last one, step back, wide feet, look forward, hop, and land. Good, let's fold forward again and rest. Nice work, guys. Breathe out. Let's go ahead and take those hands, take them behind us. Try to step underneath of your heels with both hands. So your hands are cupping your palms and just relax your head. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, eventually what I want you to do is try to do video 1, video 2, and then this video, and then see how that helps you through the rest of your handstands. So today we worked on that idea of stretching out the hamstrings to start through pyramid pose and standing split, moving into allowing ourselves to jump forward on the mat and then back, and then working into that wide-legged hold. All right, something else you can work on just real quick that's very similar to that is a wide-legged forward fold. And you can either do this way or this way. So this would be if you are feeling very good in these first 2 options. This is how you would end today's practice. You would take your hands wide. You would turn your elbows slightly forward. You would bend your knees just like this, and you would shoot forward. Bend, shoot forward. If you're feeling really good, you'll bend your knees and you'll hop, and then you'll come back down. So again, it's this wide-legged forward fold, lift halfway, exhale, bend, my arms stay straight, really important, hop, and come back down. 3 more if you're going with me. Bend, hop, 2 more, use your breath. Last one, you got it. And rest. Good, inhale, rise all the way up, reach really high, and pull your hands to your heart. Congratulations, guys. Round 3 of our handstand work has finished. So again, repeat it, pause the video, do multiple hops, but don't continuously do it until you're super fatigued because you'll never be successful. Slow it down, use your breath. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Thank you.